Hello, loveliest people of the world. Today is a smoothie day. This week, Burak came to visit us from Istanbul, so we're gonna make 3 different smoothies for 3 different needs. Me, as a person who's trying to lose weight and who's trying to get rid of her edema, all the swollen parts, because of tiredness, we swell. It makes the body harder to lose weight, etc., etc. So I want something fresh and green. Whereas Bahar is trying to make muscles and she wants to do something with protein. So she's gonna give us an example of a healthy, balanced, protein-full smoothie. Whereas Mr. Burak, okay, he doesn't want to go crazy, but he says I'm on a holiday and I want to eat something nice, but I don't want to, tire myself too much. So he's going to make something fun, fulfilling and happy. Actually, while understanding these recipes, hope these 3 different types of recipes can give you an idea while you want to create your own smoothie with whatever you have in your house to understand what helps what. If you're ready, we can start. 3 small cucumbers, 3 frozen snake cucumbers, and always some ginger, a small piece of turmeric, plenty of parsley with stems, and any fruits that's about to spoil in your fridge. A few ice cubes for a fresh morning chill, water to help blend easily, lemon. I can't eat lemon these days, but definitely add it if you can. That's it, simple and easy. Now, this is ready. This is beautiful. It's quite plain. We could add some berries. We could have added more fruits. But if we add more berries and fruits, the sugar level gets increased. And then after 2-3 hours, I start to feel hungry. So I reduce all the fruits that are possible. And because of my stomach, these days I cannot eat lemon. But if there's a bit of lemon, it feels really, really good. I used to put some apples in, but now I'm trying to finish whatever in the refrigerator. So any kind of fruit that is in the refrigerator could work. So I wanted to show that. This is great. It makes you feel really light. I feel it in my joints, in my fingers, and even in here. So it feels very, very nice. It's quite a lot, so I put half of it in my Stanley, and whenever I feel a bit kind of hungry, I have a little more sip, so it keeps me until 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock really, really full. This is my one, guys. If you're ready for the challenge, it's whose turn? Burak's turn.
It's my turn.
Burak's turn. Okay, come.
2 slices of frozen melon, a slice of pineapple, 2 scoops of ice cream, a quarter of a peeled lemon, a handful of roasted chickpeas, ice cubes, a few leaves of basil, and more will come on top, a splash of water, and top with basil and chickpeas. Ready to enjoy.
And this is my summer smoothie, or maybe slush. I'm sure it goes great with gin if you like to. That's it.
How does it taste like?
It tastes like summer. Melon and ice cream comes, a hint of lemon and basil's freshness. Leblebis makes me feel full, and that's it.
If we don't have leblebi around, what can they use?
They can use oatmeal, they can use hazelnut or any kind of nut. That's it.
Fresh parsley, fresh ginger, a bit of turmeric to boost the metabolism, 3 dates, pitted of course, 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon of oats, vegan protein powder, whichever kind you prefer, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and around 2 milliliters of kefir. If it turns out too thick, you can always add some water to thin it down, and of course, some ice. Okay, so this is mine. It's full of protein. Try to drink this after the workouts so that your muscles grow back finally. Because of the flax seeds and the chia seeds and the peanut butter, actually, without the protein powder, it's very protein-full shake. The dominant taste, unfortunately, is the protein powder, whatever you use. But if you take that out, dates will be the dominant taste of this one. There you go.
It will keep you full for a long time, for sure.
So, here we have all of them.
Okay, guys, please tell us which one you're gonna choose. I think we all want to drink Burak yours, but I deserve this one for sure.
Okay, you can drink this one in the mornings, Drink this one at nights, when you're out in a summer night, and this after workouts. But please tell us, what would you add to these, or what would you take out from these?
Or if you have a perfect recipe that you want to share with the world, that would be wonderful.
Please write it down. If you make these, please let us know if you like them.
Joke aside, by the way, there are a few basic rules while you're making the shake. First one is, of course, adding a little bit of water or something liquid like kefir and like Bahar did. That's definitely for the blender to be able to blend it properly. You need that.
If you have any
Leftover fruits,
or cucumbers or anything,
freeze them and use for the smoothies. It's perfect.
It makes it cold. If you don't have something frozen, always put some ice. Ice makes it colder and chillier, and it makes it, at least for me, 10 times better to drink or eat.
Actually, most popular ingredient is frozen blueberries for any kind of smoothies, but Burak.
Yes, I forgot to bring their
yeah.
frozen blueberries from Istanbul.
So today,
When you put blueberries, you don't get that great color.
yeah, they're dominant on that.
Dominant purpley color. So enjoy, guys.
Bon appetit. Happy summers.
Happy summers. Check out Bodrum. It's like heaven on earth. And because of so many things, it's not very crowded here right now. So if you come, it would be great. And also, don't forget to share the video.
Leave a comment. Send it to your loved ones.
Bye.
Bye.